Good morning, gorgeous day. A lot of things to do today, including going to town. Before I show you what I received on the mail last night, I got this. This is a hard drive from my MSI that's been playing around all the time. Uh-oh. You probably remember I had this blue screen coming all the time despite whatever I was doing, and didn't work, nothing worked, so I had to buy a new hard drive because that's what it was telling me that was defective. Oh, nice screwdriver, I love it. What do you think, guys? Yeah. I bought this one because it says made in the Philippines. I'm not surprised if it's not, but from Lazada you can expect anything. Not because Lazada, because Toshiba. Oh no, made in Philippines. See here, made in Philippines, but the packaging is made in China. It's a Toshiba, it's a good brand. 2 terabyte. The one I have now is 1, so I can do my flying simulation and upload a lot of files. So anyway, got it. Now I need to install it. Okay, so that's the price, total price including delivery, 5,257 pesos.
No.
Bella loves her kitchen so much. She hasn't stopped playing with it. Well done, Robert and Elvie. Where are you? Okay, we're going now, we're going town. When it's finished, you pay. Okay, not now, just wait. $63.3 cents. It's gone up. 15 liter.
Finish. Okay, you pay now. Hey.
Wait.
Okay. You give the money.
Say
thank you.
Thank you. We're here again, but different food. This one, wrap, I like it. Then I go to the front. I just came here to have a look at a few fans. We just bought another one. Ready?
Can you bring this?
So we got this for our bedroom. You can't find any tubular style kit, repair kit. They can fix your tire, but they don't have the kit. But I know there's some in Lazada I would probably order. At least I have bought the sealant.
I think the same.
James at the town hall doing something for her business. I don't know exactly what it is. Probably to register or something. I'm not sure. Bella with me. I need a coffee. After that, we need to go to Zaneco and find out about this utility pole and the slide. See what they're gonna do. Patience is very important with Bella. I'm glad I have a new beautiful car. What do you do? It's hard. Where are we going?
Oh, what is that? This on the. What is this? What's your fish?
Last time na. Babaan eh. Stop playing with mom.
Well, I don't come.
Trim for a little snack. Everything's so nice.
That's
Oh,
coffee.
Bella, she loves it. Okay, I'm gonna have a croissant.
But it's ice. Yeah.
Bella's friend back here.
Are you sure? You don't want? You say thank you.
Okay, fruit time. Here she is. I know.
No, that's like.
I love this market. Plus, we're going home soon. We got planned to go to the mountain on Sunday, but it's raining. It's been raining up there, and you know it's very dangerous for us. If it's muddy, we can't go. Sunday is the only time because all the kids up there, so we want to be there when they're there and have fun with them. But otherwise, it's dead. So anyway, we see how we go. For now, let's get some beautiful fruits. What Bella doing? My love. Your favorite stand. Bella singing. Apple. Okay, going home now.
Open. Okay, excuse me.
Another stopover. Buy some fish here. This is a new area. We never stopped here. Baby. Okay, leave. It's okay. She opened the window herself. Oh, look, there's a little boy there. Say hello. Say hello to little boy.
Oh no!
Hello. Say hello. You see the boy? No, this one. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, this carrot. Thank you.
She's helping mommy.
It's not hot today. I mean tonight. Thank you.
Oh, Bella's so good. She's helping mommy to put things away.
Thank you.
Okay, good morning. We're going to fix a few things, such as this MDF panel. I was told if I pen them, they will straighten back. So I'm going to have a go. I'm so glad I got a fan here. It's very, very Maggie already. 9 a.m. Oh, that's eating the paint. Okay, let's try this one now. Hello. Don't worry, I'm not gonna do anything. This is not straightened up. It's still bent everywhere. I thought with the humidity will just flatten it by itself, but it's not. I got the same marine board here. It's been a long time, a few months. Hasn't moved a bit, nothing. It's all pretty good. So we may use that. Okay, done. Next. Smells so nice. Yum. And there's more there. Okay, that's it. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a shark swimming. Yeah. Same as a cartoon. Yeah, okay. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.